Drink 1 cup of moringa tea daily. See what happens to your body. Moringa tea is gaining popularity worldwide due to its remarkable health benefits. Derived from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, this herbal tea is packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and medicinal properties. Drinking just 1 cup of moringa tea daily can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. From improving digestion to boosting immunity and enhancing skin health, moringa tea is a powerhouse of goodness. Let's explore what happens to your body when you make moringa tea a part of your daily routine. 1. Packed with nutrients. Moringa tea is rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, calcium, potassium, iron, and protein, all of which contribute to overall well-being. These nutrients support various bodily functions, such as improving vision, strengthening bones, and enhancing immune response. 2. Boosts immune system. Drinking moringa tea daily can help strengthen your immune system due to its high antioxidant content. Moringa is packed with flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamin C, which work together to fight off infections and reduce inflammation. A stronger immune system means better resistance against colds, flu, and other illnesses. 3. Improves digestion. Moringa tea contains natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that support digestive health. It helps in reducing bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues by promoting healthy gut bacteria. Additionally, moringa's fiber content aids in smoother digestion and better absorption of nutrients. 4. Enhances skin and hair health. The high concentration of antioxidants and vitamins in moringa tea helps improve skin and hair health. Vitamin E and C protect the skin from premature aging, wrinkles, and blemishes. Regular consumption of moringa tea may promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and strengthen hair follicles. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Moringa tea is known to have anti-diabetic properties, making it beneficial for people with high blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that moringa helps regulate insulin production and improve glucose metabolism. Drinking a cup of moringa tea daily may contribute to better blood sugar management and lower the risk of diabetes-related complications. 6. Supports heart health. Moringa tea contains compounds that help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and improve heart function. The antioxidants in moringa prevent the oxidation of bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. A daily cup of moringa tea can promote better circulation and cardiovascular health. 7. Aids in weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, moringa tea can be a great addition to your weight loss journey. The tea helps boost metabolism, burn fat, and reduce cravings. It is also low in calories and can help curb appetite, making it an excellent beverage for those trying to maintain a healthy weight. 8. Enhances brain function. Moringa tea contains brain-boosting nutrients such as antioxidants, vitamin E, and essential amino acids that enhance cognitive function. Regular consumption may help improve memory, focus, and concentration while reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 9. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to several diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Moringa tea has potent anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation and pain in the body. People suffering from joint pain or inflammatory conditions may benefit from drinking moringa tea daily. 10. Detoxifies the body. Moringa tea acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse the body from toxins. It supports liver function, promotes kidney health, and aids in flushing out harmful substances from the body. A daily cup of moringa tea can contribute to overall detoxification and better organ health. 11. Balances hormones. Hormonal imbalances can lead to various health issues, including mood swings, fatigue, and reproductive problems. Moringa tea contains plant compounds that help regulate hormone levels and promote hormonal balance. Women experiencing menstrual irregularities or menopause symptoms may find relief from drinking moringa tea regularly. 12. Supports bone health. Moringa is an excellent source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Drinking moringa tea can help prevent osteoporosis and improve bone density, especially in older adults. 13. Increases energy levels, feeling tired and sluggish. Moringa tea is a natural energy booster. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants provides a steady release of energy throughout the day. Unlike caffeine, which can lead to jitters and crashes, moringa tea provides sustained energy without negative side effects. 14. Protects against infections. The antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties of moringa help protect against infections and harmful pathogens. Drinking moringa tea regularly can aid in wound healing, prevent bacterial infections, and promote overall immune defense. 15. Promotes better sleep. Moringa tea contains compounds that help relax the nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety. Drinking a warm cup of moringa tea before bedtime may improve sleep quality, reduce insomnia, and promote relaxation. How to prepare moringa tea. Making moringa tea is simple and easy. Here's how you can prepare a nourishing cup of moringa tea at home. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon dried moringa leaves or 1 moringa tea bag, 1 cup hot water, honey or lemon optional. Instructions: boil a cup of water and pour it over the dried moringa leaves or tea bag. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the leaves if using dried leaves and add honey or lemon for flavor. Enjoy your refreshing and healthy cup of moringa tea. Final thoughts: drinking 1 cup of moringa tea daily can have profound benefits for your body and mind. From boosting immunity and digestion to promoting heart health and weight loss, moringa tea is a simple yet effective way to enhance overall well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your energy levels, detoxify your body, or support your immune system, incorporating moringa tea into your daily routine can make a noticeable difference. Start drinking moringa tea today and experience its incredible health benefits firsthand. ****